Hello parents and welcome to a quick summary or explanation of how to use Spelling Classroom. Currently I am on a make-believe account and it's just to give you an idea of how to use the site so that you can better understand where to find certain details. So for your child to get access to the lists of words, they would log in. Once they log in, they come down to the view all your word lists. You will click on that. Once you click on that, you are going to, it might be minimized, but if it is, you just click on it. If it is not, you're going to see teachers' word lists, and then you're going to see the list that your child has to work on. So for example, the next set of lists that they have to work on would be spelling test 4 and vocabulary test 2, sorry. You just click on the access right here, and they have all these games that they can practice their word lists on. So again, you can just click on lists if you wanted to, and then you get access to both lists. Ideally for the spelling test lists, you can have your child concentrate on the spelling lessons, which are this section above here. And then when you do go into the vocabulary list, you can go down to the bottom over here and have them practice the vocabulary lessons here. You also have additionally the word a days that your child can study the vocabulary words with, and for the spelling words, you have the worksheet that is attached to the plan de travail that they can simply write out on a daily basis if need be. If you would like information about your child's reports, so where they're at in terms of or what they've gotten wrong, or what they need to work on, you would click on reports at the top. You would click on spelling and vocabulary tests only, and you have access to the lists over here. Now, if you click the plus sign right there, you would have an indication if they got any incorrect words, answers as in what they got correct, again, for all of the tests up to date. So it keeps an eye on what the percentage of their test or is, and also what they've gotten incorrect or what they have got correct. Again, lists is mainly where you want to go for practicing the lists, and reports in terms of taking a look at their final grades, which will also be uploaded on Portail. So I hope this has been helpful for you in terms of using Spelling Classroom. In terms of the other buttons here, buy would be to log out, but you don't really need rewards, messages, buddy, or support. The main two areas that you do require at home would be reports and lists. Thank you so much.